Hello everyone. Let us begin with the new method of separation, that is sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Let us understand these different terms with the help of an example. So I have a muddy water. Muddy water means mitti ka pani. If it is not available, you can prepare it by your own also. Add a spoon of soil in the water. Stir it well and allow it to leave. Sample of muddy water will ready. Now what is next? If you keep it as such without disturbing it, you can find after some time the situation like this, in which all the mud particles are settled down in the bottom. So this process is known as sedimentation, where heavier component of a mixture is settled down at the bottom is known as sedimentation. See the definition. Whenever the heavier components in a mixture settles after leaving undisturbed for some time, this process is called sedimentation. Now new terms, decantation. So after sedimentation, जो पानी आपके पास है, decant it into another water. Decant it into another beaker. So you will get a situation like this. But if you will observe, this decant is not as very clear. So furthermore, process is required like a filtration. Decantation is a process which you are using at your home also. After frying anything, your mother just decant oil above and whatever heavier particles are there, it will be settled down. So the process of removal of water above the sediment is called decantation. This process can be done with the help of filter also, like a tea stainer. But then also you will not get clear water. So for better result, we can use a cloth. If you will do filtration with the help of cloth, as shown in this picture, you will find that water will obtain in the beaker will be more clear. Another alternative method to use filter paper, which is more better than the tea stainer or cloth. Filter paper having one such fine pore in it, due to which it can remove all the impurities which is present in the muddy water. How to use filter paper? Just fold filter paper, keep it in the funnel as shown in this diagram, and keep one empty beaker below it. When you transfer your decanted water through the filter paper, you will observe that water which is collected in the beaker is clear than the earlier process. So this process is known as filtration. How can we define filtration? So filtration can be defined as separation of finer impurities from the decant using a filter paper is known as filtration. I hope so you all have understood about the three words which we have started today: sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Thank you.